Let's make a beginner-friendly chunky crochet garland. You'll need a size K or 6.5mm hook and super bulky yarn. Chain 1, then extend the loop on your hook by about 1 inch. Yarn over or under, hold the yarn in place with your index finger, insert the hook into the chain, yarn over and pull up a loop to the height of the first loop. Repeat this 2 more times. You should now have 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull the yarn through all 7 loops. Chain 1 to secure the bubble stitch. Then chain 1 and repeat the process until you've used up all the yarn in the skein. Then tie it off and you're ready to decorate. For more tutorials, visit DeliaCreates.com.